guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha, and if you are that kind of a person who is always looking for affordable skincare products or natural or DIY that actually work and are safe for your skin, then you're come to the right place. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel and that bell icon to be always notified if I come up with any new video. I usually come up with new videos, new skincare related videos every Wednesdays, and I'm gonna be coming up with these random videos every Fridays or Saturdays. But the Wednesdays are gonna be serious skincare videos always. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about this very easy and affordable method to reduce acne. Now, you guys know, looking at the thumbnail, I'm talking about reducing acne overnight just by using one ingredient, that is honey. Now guys, the honey that you're using should be raw, or you can go ahead with manuka honey. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. And also remember guys, before putting honey on your face, if you are allergic to beeswax, pollen, all those kind of things, then I would suggest don't go ahead by using honey on your face, because then you will get some serious allergic reaction to it. However, let's get into the video. So firstly, for this method, you need to take 1 to 2 spoons of honey. Before putting it on your face, if you have never used honey on your face and you don't know how it will react to your skin, just do a patch test before using it. Now I take a little bit of honey first and I apply it on my cheeks, and then I'm just gently massaging it. Concentrate on the areas that you're most prone to break out. Now I break out a lot towards my chin side and my forehead, so I'm concentrating there first. Now remember guys, this won't literally disappear your acne overnight, but it will reduce it by 80 to 90% depending on the type of skin you have. If you have extremely sensitive skin, you can go ahead with cleansing your face for 2 to 3 minutes every day with honey. You could do it morning and night also if that is okay with you, or you could just cleanse your face for 2 to 3 minutes at night, and within a month you will see difference, like major differences. You won't break out that much. Now that is because honey has antibacterial properties, and the acne caused on your skin is mostly because of bacteria, which is why honey literally pulls out the bacteria and the excess oil from your skin, which leads you to breakout. You could also leave honey on your face for 20 minutes if you don't want to massage it, but I massage it because the honey starts dripping off. Now guys, please do remember, this method won't work if you're not using 100% pure honey on your face. So make sure whatever brand you're going for has its claim of using 100% honey. I don't break out a lot, but whenever I do break out, I massage my face with honey in the night, and then in the morning I wake up and the pimple or the boils have gone, or sometimes they have reduced by a lot of percent. Now you could rinse your face with lukewarm water or cold water. I'll rinse my face with cold water, and then don't forget to pat dry and be gentle with your skin. So that's all you guys. So that was all about using honey for your face to reduce acne, boils, pimples, whatever. So if you guys haven't tried it out ever, go ahead and try it out, and then come back here and comment down below and like my video if it worked for you. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.